Hey, Shen, you got a second? I could use your help. We got a bomb threat. I'm checking the vehicles. I doubt there's anything to it. Who'd want to trash cars like these? But better be safe than sorry. Holy shit! Must be remote controlled! Take my bike! Get that car back!
How the hell do I deal with this? Got you.
Damn it! Leave me alone! I'm not doing anything wrong!
Bob! Bob!
Police brutality! Police brutality!
你係要等我做嘢先做埋嚟嘅，講乜撚嘢仆街！
What the? The timer! The timer! Help! I hit the timer! I hit the timer! Get it off me! Get it off!
Come on, where is it? Wait, there you are. Damn it! Fire! Fire! Evacuate!
He's onto us! He has to die! The world is going to end ahead of schedule! 走先啦！整撚定你今日冇運啦！你冇㗎啦你！你唔係點打我啊？大咗啊！咁都唔明？冇！正策啊！ 唔使搞佢拼啊！要開眼科啊！你冇玩嘢啊！出個撚咗！臭屁！玩你講乜啊！臭屁！
Bomb threat! Move along! Move, you morons! Where's the bomb squad?
Nice work, officer. Qingsha Road is now safe. I repeat, the Qingsha Road is clear.
No problem.
A bus has exploded in Central. I repeat, bombing in Central. Shen, get there immediately.
Holy shit.
What do I do there? 你揾個第二個，唔好講咁多，教我又講晒。講極你都唔明，你揾個第二個，唔好講咁多。What do I do? What do I do?
Wait! Good thing you're here.
What do you need?
It was a bomb. Crazy bastards left a note. Said this was only the beginning. You need to track down the other buses on this route. HQ thinks they might be after all of them.
What?
Take that cruiser. Find them fast, yeah?
I'm on it.
Looks like these crazies are all over the place. We'll keep working these guys. You get out there and reel them in.
Could you be a little more vague? Hey, what the hell you think you're doing?
It's that cop! He's on to us!
Crazy bastards. Come on, you bastards!
俾佢見識下我哋啲嘢，我一定會後悔。
You done!
Yeah! 唔見佢唔好停啊！哇！屌啊！哇！夠膽過嚟啊！特登啊兩場，特登！你個太撚爆佢啊！嚟啊！哎呀！慢啲啊！嗰邊啊！踢到老米！快啲走！
That's it for you! Another one down!
話你知啊，你實死硬啊！
Too much fun! Tang, all those trucks came from the Aberdeen market. I'm gonna check it out.
We're about to have thousands of tourists on the streets. You have to shut them down. Good luck.
Proceed to the fish warehouse. Be careful. It's a reported gang hideout. Hey, that guy's a cop. Get him! Get him!
Get the bomb maker out of here! We can't let the apocalypse get away from us!
Enough of this shit.
仲有人放過我啦！
你黐線啊！停手啊 ！Somebody help！ 哎呀！你行到唔帶眼㗎？
Damn it. Freeze!
一定會後悔。哇！你睇到啊！
Crazy fucking bastards. Are you kidding me?
You can't stop us!
The end is coming!
That's enough crazy for one day.
I surrender! I surrender!
If you got a lawyer, give him a call.
Please, get me out of here! Those guys are fucking crazy! They grabbed me out of my chemical lab 3 weeks ago. They've been keeping me in a little cell, forcing me to make bombs for them.
Oh, really?
Threatened to pull out my eyes, cut off my fingers. You have to protect me. You don't know what these lunatics are capable of.
Shut the fuck up!
Wait, this is dispatch. We've got a riot in progress in Soho. Please respond.
I'm in Kennedy Town. What's up?
Come by the mobile HQ for an equipment upgrade. Looks like you're going to need it.